Hey guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix action available in Roblox Mobile. So let's start. Sometimes this happens because your account is not verified. So if you want to verify your account and fix this problem, it's very easy to do it. So first let's go to the three dots here, and then let's go to the part that is settings. You scroll down, let's go to settings. Here on settings you will find account information, security, and so then. So let's go to account information. Here on account information you will find all your details from your account, email address, phone, or something like that. So if you check, they have the email address. In my case it's verified, so if your case doesn't verify your email address, you have to click here and verify. With that, probably your problem will fix it. Also, you can add a new number if you prefer, and when you add it, well, you can verify your phone number too. This will help you as well as your email address. So in that way, you will fix the action is not available in Roblox Mobile. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and keep turning up to this video.